Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add the Siri shortcut to the slopes application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the account button down below, which is the last option. Then you should go to the settings section and tap on general, which is the first button, and after that click on add shortcut to Siri down below, and after that you should tap on the button done down below to add this phrase, hey Siri, start skiing. So if you say this phrase to Siri, it will perform the activity on the slopes application. However, if you want to record a new phrase to add to this instruction as an instruction to Siri, tap on the record shortcut phrase and then set it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.